Hello and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We're here scalping euro dollar. It is 12.19 in London. Got a couple of shorts on. Looking for a continuation lower. Market's pulled back. We sold into that. Just looking for it to drop back down to these levels again. I've got to take profit set. That wouldn't be a bad time to add to the position on the pullback. It is a little bit range bound. And that's even better, 24.7. Anyway, we got 3 on. That ought to be enough. Like to come out of them around here. It's been down as low as 109.16 earlier in the day. Can we get a quick scalp out of this, or is it going to go sideways and range bound between, I don't know, 26 and... Yeah, it might be between 26 and 22. We can come out at 22. That would show us 1.9 pips overall. It's not that bad. Right, so we're just waiting for it to form up a bit lower, really. Here we go. Here we go. So 23.4, we just inched into profit. It does seem to get lifted off here, though. It's beginning to look like I should take this one off every time and put it back on the pullback. Could have done it there, could have done it there. Yeah, if we'd have got out at 23 and a half, put it back on at 23.7. So these must be buyers here at 23 holding it. I put my take profits at just above 20. Here we go. See, yeah, look, they're holding it at 23. Just inching through that at the moment, 22.6. There we go, 22.7. We're a couple of pips away from getting filled. If this can break lower, just looking for the next leg lower, really, to take it into this range. Oh, where are you, sellers? Or have they run out of steam? 22.6. Nearly 3 pips on that. Not quite. 25.3 is what we sold at. So, just waiting for the continuation. So roughly a net 2 pips up. No, we're not. We're less than a pip overall. No, see, should I have taken one position off there? Now put it back on. Closed out at 22.7, put it back on at 24. Good scalp. So, where's this going? And it's just beginning to turn and look like it's going to form up above the trend line, which is not what we want to see. I'm back up here at 25s. Meaning that profit should have been taken and banked. And you can see it's run up there to 26. That's where the sellers are. And this level 23 to 22, that's where the buyers are. So we're in a 3-pip range. Right, where are we going? Where are we going with this? Just looking for it to grind off again. Where are you? Yeah, missed opportunity there. Should have taken one off there, maybe two, put them back on. Oh well, live and learn. This is why it's hours in front of the screen that make all the difference. You start recognizing the patterns that suit your style of trading. And the nature of scalping is take the profits when they're offered. Right, 1 pip there. Come on. Well, it's lunchtime in London and it's early morning in New York. This is why we're not seeing a lot of business. And it's just forming up above the trend line, which I really don't want. In fact, to be honest, we'll take those off here. Well, maybe we'll do it manually. See, it's pulling off the bottom now. So we've got 4 shorts on. We should have closed them here while we were still in a downward market. This is broken the trend line and we're not in a falling market now. Right. I think we want to get out of those at 23 if we get offered it. And in fact, I'm tempted to make that a bit wider. Because when the market orders execute, you can't get on these buttons, which is very frustrating. So this is pound dollar, again with IG. And you can see that's flattened off. Hey, look, we're just grinding up. It's not what we need. So our average price 24.5. I mean, I think if these get filled at 23, I think I'll be closing these as well. Yeah, it's just grinding up off the bottom. So we should be a buyer now, not a seller. We've come to the party too late. Should have closed out there, taken what was offered, and then looked for the next scalp, which would have probably been there, 27. Might have got pip out of that. So all we're watching now is it rising against us. Let's have a look at the 10 minutes. Yeah, range bound. We sold down here near the bottom of the range. Could run up here to 38s. It's run out of steam. It's bang on the trend line. Actually, no, it's above it, isn't it? So we are trading a bit against the market, but every time it gets up here, 37s, it's pulled back. The sellers there. We're just looking for it to run out of steam and pull back. 25.3, so there you go. Anything below here is a profit. And 23 there, we can comfortably come out. So just past 12:30. Not much going on apart from it grinding up, and it's broken out of this range. Might end up range bound between what, 31 and 22. Point 0.8 of, oh, there we go. 1.2 pips on that one. Or there was. It's disappeared. There you go. Could have taken that, put it back on. What was it there? 27.3. Got it back on higher up. Right. Where are we going? Sooner or later, someone will sell into this. But not just yet, by the looks of it. No, see, we could have closed out, got the short back on. Missed opportunity there. I keep saying I'm going to take these quick scalps and bank the profit and get the short back on, but I keep looking for the continuation of the pullbacks. Not looking like it might have turned. Come on, where are we going? At the moment, we were slow, far too slow, and now we can short at 29s. It's up here at 30. So that should have come off and gone back on. Yes, definitely need to be doing more scalping. Just not doing what I need to do. Right, that's 1 pip. 1.5. Take that, and we'll see if we can get it back on. Right, now, this is where it found buyers before. At this level. Yeah. So what was that? 27.5. There's buyers there. So, should I have taken that one off as well? Yep, definitely, because now it could have gone back on higher. So we're going to have to get busy with this scalping and stop leaving this just up to the market. We're getting up round to 30 again. That's where we got the short on last at 20 year, but didn't quite get 29.5 there, did we? Damn it, we are getting a bit overloaded here. Right, what's my average price? 26.5. So we need it down here. 4 pips lower. No, 5 pips lower. Right, now, are we going to get a sell-off? Yep, should have closed them out there, and then that was your easy trade buying. Just formed up nicely above the trend line, come back up to here. Too late to the party and too slow to take the profit where we should have. This is how you learn your lessons. Right, and it's plateauing. Well, I don't want any more positions on. A 7. And we've been in this a good half hour now. And that was your quick scalp, which I missed. Now it's turned into a position trade, which I'm positioning all wrong until that turns. So what we're looking for is the sellers up here at 31 to run it back down. Right, getting somewhere. Right, looking for it to drop a bit lower. Is that all it had? Bang, that's a bit better. That's more like it. That's sellers. Now, where's your continuation? Yes, this is more like it. Now then, that's the level it bounced off last time. So we'll take those off and we'll see if it bounces. Or the seller's going to have a good run lower. We'll see. We'll see. It could well easily. It's going. Good. See, last time it stopped there, 25. Yeah, look, we're just approaching 25s now. So the buyers here are trying to hold it at 25. That's half a pip. There we go. Now, I would have thought at some stage it's going to have a rebound from this. So 25.5. We're closing out at 23s. See, it's getting defended there. Might well pull back to here, 28s, then sell off again. Anyway, we've got 4 shorts on. Probably should have taken that one off at 1 point. Was it 1.4 pips? With a view to getting it back on at 28. So we could have got it off there at 25, call it. And we'd have got 26 a minute ago to sell into. Right. Where's this going next? It's going to hit a wall here. Maybe we should take that one off at 25. 25.9. And see if it pulls back from it again. See, bang. Oh no, straight to 24. There we go. We might get filled in 2 pips. That was probably the trade to put on. Put the shorts on here and take them off just about there, 25.2 or 3. Anyway, 24.5. There we go. Well, 1.5 pips and we should get filled. Should I have taken that 24.1? Interesting. Taken 2 off, put 1 back on. We will see. We will see. Right, now it's running out of steam around this 25 level. There's buyers there. They've had a go at it twice. And they can have a go at it again, because last time, what did they get down to? 22. Which would have been about 21 and a bit on the bid. These are ask prices. So these are prices I can close at if I've got short positions on. It's not a mid price. Where are you going? So it's plateauing. That makes me think it's going to pull back. We'll take that in case it pulls back. Because if it does, we can put them on again. And if it doesn't and continues lower, it won't really matter. So it's testing 24. That's 0.6 of a pip, half a pip. Bit opportunistic, that. Seven. And we'll see. We're inching closer. It's dropping. It's going to test these levels. 23.3. We're about half a pip away from getting filled. And down at this level, the buyers and the sellers are fighting it out. Right, that's that one filled. Come out the way. Take all those off. That is how you scalp. Please like, please subscribe.